Up Cruise Crew, this is your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE, and I am inside of the AUDIOZONE itself. I'm driving right now to go get some stuff done. We're getting ready to head out to Memphis, Tennessee for the Memphis YouTuber call out with Demonology and Dunk Master at the Scary Fest out there in Memphis, Tennessee. So I'm going to get my oil changes done today and get my car situated. Make sure that everything is ready to go see if we can go have some fun and enjoy ourselves over there at the Memphis Speedway. Stay tuned if we do this day today, getting all our cars situated. I know everybody's working really hard to get everything planned and situated together to get this out. And we got my son, the Audio Fox, up in the building right here in front of me right now, getting his car situated for today so we can get ourselves out to this trip and do what we have to do. Guys, I am excited and I cannot truthfully wait to get to Memphis to go enjoy ourselves with all the other YouTubers that are gonna be there, having some fun and enjoying our track time and enjoying our time as we play with the cars and just have time to fellowship between each other and have a good time, guys. So stay tuned and we continue this video. So we have just made it here to Clay Cooley Dodge where I pick up all my stuff. All my oils I buy for my car, I always buy them original OEM, just for the fact of I just believe in factory having great product. So we got my son over there, Mr. Isaac Gibson, with his Audio Fox 2.0. If you haven't gone to follow him, man, he is the Audio Fox V2. You're gonna see him over there on Instagram. This is a beautiful blue car that y'all already seen in the videos. He's part of the Highway Bully, so am I, but I put my sticker up. We got my nephew here going to my bodyguard, so if y'all wanna come and test, we gotta get through him first if y'all wanna play this, all right? But this is what's going on. We're here at Clay Cooley. We're about to go see our man inside here, Joe, and get the parts that we need to get this situated to get my AUDIOZONE ready for Memphis. All right, Cruise Crew, so we're here. And we are now in the process of getting ourselves situated with, hold on. There we go. We got everything here situated. We got my boy Joe up in the building, man. He's the guy I come and see for all my parts over here at Clay Cooley Dodge.
Come on.
He is the guy who's always taking care of me. This is a sidekick, been here for a while, so he don't know me as well. I call and ask for Joe, and he has me on hold because I know that Joe's busy. But I just deal with Joe because I have to get to know you.
I know.
That's fair?
I'm with you. It's
That's
fair.
That's 100% fair, man. So I came to get some stuff here for my vehicle. I already called Joe about it. Let's get that situated. Also, let me add an antifreeze to that.
You got it?
For that car. Yeah, just one container, just to make sure everything's good.
Go
We're going out to Memphis, guys. And I know it can be cold in Memphis, so we are gonna make sure the car is operating good when we get to the track. I might even let him have a swing at the car in the track. I don't know, you think you can drive better than me?
No.
You know you can? He says he knows he can. What do y'all think, man? Is it gonna be experience or age that's gonna win on this one? What do you think? What do you think, experience or age? Age?
Exactly. There you go. No. Older. Reaction time.
No.
Oh no, reaction time. Experience.
Experience is gonna win. I don't know. You know what? We're gonna actually have this bet. We're gonna go ahead and do this, man. We bet 200. I know what you're doing on the track. My car failed, so hopefully it doesn't fail now. I'm just hoping I don't break my transmission, y'all. I'm not gonna jinx myself, but I've already done the axles. I've done everything I need to do in the back. I'm just really worried about now getting this transmission. So I'm gonna do the oil change and make sure everything's good and we get out to Memphis and go have fun, man. Stay tuned as we get to Memphis. Got the original oil for the vehicle. It's an SRT form, as you can see, it's made for the car. The design for it, I believe that they do a good job of designing their stuff. So we got the boxes, I got my antifreeze, got the filter for the oil, so we can get to going. And look at those seats, guys. The best seat you can ever have is that seat right there. He might disagree, but we don't care. Look at him, he gonna get flipped over, he don't wanna see it, man. But y'all, make my purchase and get ready to go to Memphis. We're going to Memphis. I already got everything I needed to get done with my vehicle, get it situated. Joe, what do you want to tell the camera today, man?
Man, y'all have fun out there. Be careful. And man,
You're welcome.
y'all got some badass cars out there.
You're missing the biggest part. If you need anything, come and see me over here at Clay Cooley. Let me get that focus in for y'all. Y'all can get a picture of that. That's Joe. Come check him out here at Clay Cooley.
Come see me. I'll take care of y'all.
This is where I came. This is where Demonology comes, man. In reality, he's taking care of us great every single time. Not that you don't have the potential. We just don't know you yet.
Well, thank you.
but we'll get there. Man, we'll be back. I'll continue this video in a few minutes. All right, Cruise Crew, this is where we at. We're here at Adam's Shop across the street from us. It's the Mobile One gas station. Not the gas station, oil change loop center. I just finished checking my catch cans to get this cleaned out. I got my original Mopar filter that you see here. I got my oil there. I already topped off my antifreeze, so we're good on that one. I'm gonna go eat the car, check my transmission fluid, check my rear end fluid, and get the car ready for Memphis, guys. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do down here. Follow me here. That's the king of oil changes. How many oil changes you think you've done, Wally?
Today or
Period. Life general.
9 years ago.
Okay, so what he's doing now, he's removing the lower cover. to be able to get to the car, to get to the filter of the vehicle and be able to remove that. While he's doing that, I'm gonna check over here my transmission levels to make sure my transmission oil levels are gonna be proper. Give me a few seconds, y'all. This is a good vlog for me, I like it. All right, guys, so we got it into the fuel hole. There's a little drain plug on the side of the vehicle. It's like, look like this. You use the regular standard socket here like this, push it out, and you put oil until it starts to leak. Once it starts to leak, then that's your fuel point, and you'll be good to go on that one. Alrighty, I think we're at that point of full. So now remove the hose. Put this in there. And that is over with, guys. That's how you get this all serviced out of your transmission. Get the top off, make sure everything's good. I'm gonna grab my wrench here. Topped off my transmission. The oil change is in the process of getting finished right now. I'm gonna pull the car a little bit forward in a minute to check the rear end oil and get ready to go to Memphis to see what happens, man. Win or lose, it doesn't matter, having a good time. I've had a couple bad problems in the track. I broke one axle, broke another axle, blew out the rear end. I've had a lot of issues in the track. I'm gonna show you what we've done to upgrade this car though, now that you guys are down here. Let me go grab my, I need a light. Actually, let me grab that light right there. Because look what we got in the car, just for y'all that don't know. We have a solid drive shaft right there from DSS. All the way down aluminum. We have the 2 racing axles back there that you can barely see from here. Well, if you look at them really good, you see you got racing axles on both sides, one there, one there. So the axle's good. The rear end is brand new. So we should have victory, hopefully, guys. If we can get it to go down the track and have to get passes, we should be able to enjoy ourselves and have a good time. I am gonna let my son drive the car, even though I was thinking I wasn't gonna let him drive the car. But you know, the reality is, I might have more experience, but he is younger. And as a team and as a unit and as a family, we just want to go enjoy and have ourselves some fun, right? Like a little dangerous, but it's a dangerous sport. But man, like I always say, man, I could be dealing with prostitutes, I could be dealing with strippers, alcohol and drugs. I don't have no problem. My thing is my cars, and my son has the same addiction, which is his car. So I'm kind of happy for that. But it is a dangerous addiction to have. You agree, Walid?
Yeah.
It's very dangerous. You can lose control and you can mess up your whole life in a minute. But we're about to go check the rear end out right now. Be sure that she's good and get ready to go to Memphis and see if we get to have a good time and see who does a better time. Me, AUDIOZONE, or Audio Fox V2. Y'all comment below and y'all let us know what y'all think. I go me all day for the experience. What do you go for you, huh? Walid, who you think gonna have a better time in the track? Me or him?
Hopefully him.
Hopefully him. Why?
First time.
No, he's been on track before.
No, on your car.
Yeah, but he knows. You think he's a better driver?
I mean, more experience.
Who got?
You.
I don't know. There could be. He got the reaction. So you know, we're about to find out, man. The only way to do it is send him with a piece of paper that tells you your numbers. Are you down? You take the challenge? Bye. We're going to do the fight in the truck. I'll be back to y'all shortly, guys. So we got done checking the diff oil on the vehicle. The diff oil is also perfect. So the AUDIOZONE, as far as the liquids goes, antifreeze, transmission fluid, motor, differential, everything is good to go. I'm gonna get this one out of here. I'm gonna check Pop's Corvette out, which you can see him coming in a few minutes, but we're just getting everything ready to go to Memphis. I'll be back in a few minutes. Yo, we got Bonsai running up to the building. Look at him. He think, look at the guy. He think, bro, you be careful here, because look what's behind you. Gonna put a spanking on your ass. But anyway, we got him going out to Memphis, so we're checking him out to make sure he's going, so he's gonna grab her in there, make sure all the fluids are up to date. You think it's funny? All right, YouTube.
What kind of, wait a minute, do you want, what kind of newspaper you want in the back so you can read while I'm feeding?
You said that he could put a newspaper so I can read. Okay, guy, because this is what I need to know.
Maybe
do I whoop his ass and let him sell his car because his booty hurt, or do I just let him love his car and leave him alone?
No, bro. No.
In fact, YouTube, I'm gonna post, you know what? I'm gonna race him from a dig, from a stop.
Man, make sure you post it.
If you beat him, he sells his car, he gonna get the new one.
It doesn't matter what he gets, he's still gonna get.
If he beat me, what you talking about, Gordo?
Who's there? Yeah, that's all. You're gonna get that smoke.
No, right there.
You're gonna get that smoke, y'all.
She hurt you. It's okay. It's all right. Don't be so hard.
Look, she's mad right now. But it's okay. It's okay. Listen.
She's still on. She's still like the Indian runner. Like, come on, give it to me right now. Look at
she wants it. You know, I'm gonna be like, DMX, if you want it, come and get it. I'm gonna give it to him. I don't want to hurt the feelings, but I'm gonna hurt the feelings.
If I don't take him for like 7 cars, I ain't gonna be happy. 7 cars at least.
So now we have to go down, oil and the filter. I want the whole thing for the Audio Fox. We're ordering the oil for the Audio Fox. We're gonna come down and check the Corvette. Now, y'all just heard him call me out. He said that he don't beat him by 7 cars. Hold on, what you said? If you don't beat by 7 cars, what?
If I don't beat you by 7 cars, I sell my vet for 7 cars.
Guys, you know what he's making me do? He's making me not race him because I don't want to sell the car. I think it's a beautiful car. He deserves to keep it.
Come on.
Dad.
Okay.
Dad.
Fix it.
Dad.
Car so he don't get beat.
Dad, you're gonna be booty hurt. Cause you know what? Let me come over here and say something else.
How can you dream? What makes you dream like that, bro?
Okay, cause
don't you know the van? Don't you know what you're talking about?
Yeah.
You don't remember this? Look at it. Look at it.
Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Let's remember this. In life, I started with Mustangs. I upgraded to Corvettes, and then I upgraded from Corvette to Hellcat. Get that right, nigga.
What Corvette you regular Corvette? How you call it? The Spider? How's that regular Corvette? The Stingray.
I'm at the
Stingray. Not a CO6.
Whatever the car needs.
Hey, guys, come here 1 second. Come here 1 second. Come here. Just don't know. Make sure you video this. Video this right here. Look, right here. See? CO6. Not a Stingray. Doesn't say Stingray.
All right. Well, guys, y'all gonna be watching the video. I wish it was dry today, so I could whoop his ass for y'all today, but it's all right. We'll give him that break. Get out of here with that shit.
I'm gonna keep the gas at the level, keep it back there 2 cars.
Dad, in fact, to make it fair, I'm gonna let you take off a car in front of me. Dad, I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Oh man, hey, read it. That.
Yeah. Let's read this. What you need to, let's put a bet on it. I bet my Rolex against your Rolex.
I don't want to take
You don't want to lose your Rolex.
I don't want to take you running for your left. I don't want to take. No, I don't want to.
Listen, you know what? I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna do this just for one reason only. I'm gonna do it. You know, he taught me what I know, and I give him that respect. Like Isaac is coming up right now, and I know in time, I know Isaac gonna be a better driver than me. I know that. It's just gonna happen in time. But I'm gonna give him, and yeah. But this is what happens, guys. I'm gonna whoop his ass for you guys on YouTube, just for you guys on YouTube, because of the smack he's talking today.
So far, the vest got the title.
Yeah, well, we'll be back. We'll continue this video.
Hey, listen,
I'm gonna show you that race.
So far, everything that they have thrown to the vet, she took it. Another one, ain't nothing.
We'll be back on that. HELLCAT is done. We got the Corvette warming up to do the check on that one, and now we're here on the Audio Fox. Beautiful Audio Fox 5.0, man. I love this car, actually, truthfully. Oh, don't show. Wow, you guys are cold their intake, ain't nothing to worry about. What you worried about? For now, when you see some turbos and y'all figure that out, you see a supercharger, right now you NA, you good. But anyway, guys, we got this car getting itself ready. We're all going out to Memphis, man, to have a good time, man. I'm really excited about this whole event, you know, just to go have a good time with you guys and get to meet and greet with y'all, man, and just fellowship with y'all and other YouTubers and have a good time. What it could be about. Cruise going out there, man. So we're getting everything ready to be there shortly. Boom. This is when boys become men. Look at this. Working on his own car.
Barely sitting there.
His own car. That's amazing. I'm liking it. Look at that. How you feel? Feel like a little manually, more manly now? You feel more manly, Bob? Oh, you need more oil. Look at him. He's not playing around.
Can I put the whole thing in there?
No, that could be overfill. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? We caught you. What do you think you're doing over here, sir? Huh? Not in front of Adam's shop. Respect. Not here. Not the respect. What's wrong with you? You think you're fast?
You just saw the white car and got mad. Easy.
Oh, well, he got mad because they saw the real car, the AUDIOZONE. Listen.
It's gonna be fine. Don't worry, but take it easy.
Worry, because you're gonna get smacked up.
You don't have to worry about it. No. It's fine.
All right.
Who is it?
The HELLCAT, he knows that. Theo
Who is
car.
it, Yaji?
What to your mouth?
They're trying to see who the champ is.
Theo's
the champ. You already know that.
He don't want to say.
It's all right. It's all right. Papi, it's okay. Theo just pulled up. Who is this woman here? Who are you? Say, I am.
I'm the AUDIOZONE.
She's Mrs. AUDIOZONE up in the building. Come and get all
That
day.
Mrs. is the biggest. It should be the biggest.
Now, I got a question for you. How you feeling about the trip to Memphis? She really don't want to go. Talk the truth, woman.
Yeah, I really don't want to go.
But you know why she's gonna go?
Especially being that they're making me drive.
But you know why she's gonna go? Cause she knows that that's part
because
of being.
I support my husband.
That's what I'm talking about. You see what I'm
The only
saying?
reason.
Damn, we got that on camera. If you ever use it against me, I'm gonna tell you better support your damn husband. Between my car and Papi's car racing, who you go?
Yours.
Mine? Who you go?
Speed, you.
Who you go?
Same, speed, you.
I'm telling my dad wants to race me and I don't want to break his feelings, y'all, but I'm gonna give it to him. I'm gonna give it to him like I haven't given it to nobody. I'm gonna give him all the smoke. Stay tuned, watch. We got Mrs. Audio Cat up in the building here getting ready to get her oil changed with the same stuff that I do for mine. She got her Mopar filter, original oil, getting her car ready with that. Ooh, look at that, y'all can see that. Leg maker, she bought the car like that, but if she got that blower in there, Miss Audio Cat is in there getting ready to get going out to Memphis, y'all. We got the best tuned specialist in the world. He done on my oil changes today. He's the supervisor who doesn't like me in the store, but I love him anyway. And that guy over there is the owner. For some reason, we have to deal with him because his name is Allah Akma. I don't know what's your name over there, man? Halamela. Y'all don't know what that means in Spanish. And we got Street Fighter up in the building. What's up, Street Fighter? Boy, oh. For the vlog, I want you to tell me right now, who do you go in a race? Me or him? The vet or the Audio Cat?
That's tough.
Huh?
Huh? Well, that's a tough one. It ain't a tough one, but I don't know.
It ain't a tough one. It ain't a tough one at all.
Right now, wet?
No, wet, no. We can't wet in a race. The way I got my 22s on a roll.
Don't put excuse. Don't put excuse.
I won't put an excuse. I'm gonna go put it on. You wanna go get it? I'm gonna take it to Mexico right now.
I don't go.
40 miles an hour, let's go. If he's down.
And I got a speaker box in the bag.
No, yeah, right.
Like somebody I know. My
no.
speaker box was in the bag. Come on.
You know what? I'm gonna give it to him now just to shut him up. I'm gonna give it to you right now. We leave here, we're going to Mexico. 40 miles an hour punch. I'm gonna take off in second.
40 miles. I don't do
Oh, then I can't run you today because I got too much power for a dig.
I don't do that.
Okay, can we go for the dig? And when I do the dig with him,
You have to take it from the dig.
okay. So from the dig, I'm gonna go put
I
my.
know you're scared already, but don't
No,
worry about
yeah, right. For the dig, I'm gonna run him from the dig and I'm gonna make it fair for him.
Right now?
I'm gonna let him take off of me a car ahead.
it. For me right now,
No, I can't right now because that car. Well, I will not. I'm not ignorant. I know how to rake my car.
I love dreaming.
Yeah. What's up, y'all? Oh, I don't see nobody. Oh, Real's up in the building. What you doing, Mr. Real?
Get it back.
I got my baby back. You know, I'm like, I got my baby back, baby back,
no.
baby back ribs.
Baby back ribs.
Can't show you what he's doing there, man, because it's secrets, you know what I'm saying? But he's doing something.
What's going on?
We got Miss Audio Cat in the building. We got the beautiful Challenger from his wifey. If y'all haven't seen it, she's really beautiful, man. Got a beautiful TA. He's doing this thing there, man. I can't check up on them and see what they were doing. Josh left? So,
He been gone.
Gordo is the only one here with you? Gordo left too?
Gordo's right behind us.
Oh yeah, Gordo's back there, you're right. All right, well, I can't show you what's going on, but everybody get ready for Memphis, man. So I'm gonna tell you, everybody get ready for Memphis. Stay tuned, we going.